day 5, total mobilization. So what we have as far as points go here is going to be radar tasks. And then we have kind of the little mashup of building and research. Now, the thing here is that the research does not come with Valor. So this is only regular research. So let's talk first about the research. So research is going to be really great. So like if you, on day 2, let's say that you finish and you collect a particular research, you can look for a 2-day research, something that's going to end on this particular day and get some quick points. So that's one strategy that you can use for this day, is just to start a research after Age of Science that will end here. And on this day, you can collect it during arms race, but you get nice and easy points. It could be something that if you start it during Age of Science, you could run it with Valor badges, and then you just collect it on this day for the completion points, right? So this definitely overlaps with that second day, the Age of Science. The third day of Age of Science. The building construction is going to be a little bit of, actually for building day, I would highly recommend not to open any presents unless you are struggling to get enough points. Okay, so with construction, you can do speed ups, you can pop your presents, but really just make sure, because base expansion day could be so hard to get all your points. It could be one of the hardest days. You really want to save as much as you can for day 2 base expansion. And this day, try to minimize that as much as you can. Okay, but you can toss some speed ups at as something that's taking a long time to build. Toss some speed ups at it on this day to get some quick points if you need it. Radar tasks, you want to have enough radar walking into the day. So you want to have what your cap is, which is 40 minus 1. And that way you have nice, easy points for total mobilization. And if you need a video on how to manage radar tasks, there is a separate video on that. And then the last thing on total mobilization is going to be your units. So training your units is going to be the fastest and easiest way to get points for this day. The method to do that is going to be the ladder method for your barracks. That's going to make the process simpler. Basically what you do is that you have your barracks at different levels. So I have one at 20, right? And then here, wrong one. I can train level 7. So the next one is going to be level 8, level 9, and level 10. That's what they can train at. So what I do is when I'm not in arms race, I am training level 6s, and then I just start promoting them, right? And so on this particular day, it's just promote all day. And I get all my points. So they go from level 6 to level 7, level 7 to level 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. Okay? So that's going to be the biggest way to get points. I do have another video that just kind of goes into it more, but you really want to set up your soldiers here so that you have a lot of level 6. You're going to have some in the middle at 7, 8, and 9, right? And then you're working up to your 10. This is a really slow method, though, of like having enough troops. So you do want to manage that. I know how many troops I need in order to run MG, Alliance Exercise. I know how many I need for that. I know how many I need for Zombie Siege. I know how many I need for other activities. So I make sure that I have enough for that. And then I just really concentrate on building level 6 troops. So when total mobilization comes, it's just promoting all day, and making points that way. Okay, that's what makes total mobilization easiest. But radar tasks, easy points. Some research can be set up to get some points there, but mostly you just want it the entire week, just making sure that you have level 6 troops to promote all the way up to your highest level. Or if you're still at 9, then level 5 going all the way up to 9. But most of us should be at level 10 for our troops. So we just want to promote from 6 all the way up to 10. Okay. So that is going to be day 5.